Greetings, good people. Welcome back to the channel. All right, it is day 5 of the Welcome to Sweetie Pie's actor or reality TV star, I should say, Tim Norman. Okay, so today is day 5. Court has actually wrapped up for the day. So I'll give you a quick update of what transpired. Not much information I have available, but I will tell you what I know. All right. So those of you who are wondering, I wonder if Miss Robbie is going to take the stand. Well, Miss Robbie was in the courtroom today. Okay. So here's the deal. Tim Norman has several witnesses, okay, that are going to testify on his behalf, right? What his defense attorneys want is for these people to testify and basically paint Tim out to be a daddy Warbucks, old Saint Nick, a savior, a good man. His character is free of any blemishes. The judge said, yeah, that's not happening. That doesn't make any sense. Okay. One of those people who are witnesses for Tim Norman is Miss Robbie. So to my knowledge, Miss Robbie did not take the stand today. If that is incorrect, pardon me. All right. But from the information that I have been checking and looking at so far, it has been accurate. So Miss Robbie did not take the stand to my knowledge at the time that this video is being recorded. Okay, so yeah, again, as far as the several witnesses that including Miss Robbie, they're gonna testify to Tim's character being, like I said, like a peacemaker, being very honest. Now here's the problem with that. There is video evidence. Remember, they were on a reality TV show. So if you guys remember from Welcome to Sweetie Pies, Tim wasn't the most peaceful and the most patient, with in his personal life, with his employees, with the business. So I don't know what these witnesses are going to conjure up, but I understand the judge kind of like objecting to that and wanting to kind of like no, we're not going to do that. That's not the line of questioning that we're going to take. If you recall, when Tim was on Sweetie Pies, he got into it with a couple of the employees. He put his hands on his nephews, or Charles and Andre, right? His mother took him to court and sued him because he was opening up restaurants without it, using her brand, her likeness, without her knowledge. That doesn't seem like a peaceful and truthful person, right? So I don't know what his witnesses, how many of them are actually going to actually get to testify. If all of them are, some of them. Miss Robbie, I don't know how that's going to work. She really is going to sit up there and testify for the defense, but I understand because it is her son. I'm more interested in the line of questioning that the prosecution is going to use, because they could actually blow it. The prosecution has rested, for those of you who didn't know about what happened day 3 and 4 of the trial. So it's pretty much up to the defense to present any more evidence that they have, any more witnesses that they want to call. As far as Tim Norman, is he going to take the stand? That is unknown, because he has until tonight to decide if he's going to take the stand. Now, the judge is hoping that this is all going to be wrapped up in a nice, pretty little bow by Wednesday. Fingers crossed that will be the case. Okay. So the court basically has ended for the day, and, it's being reported that the last witness is going to be a show producer, and they're going to take the stand tomorrow. So again, it's unknown if Tim is actually going to testify, and he'll make that decision overnight. And like I said, today is September 12th. This is day 5 of the Tim Norman trial. It is 1:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At this time that I'm recording this video, I don't have any knowledge that Miss Robbie took the stand. Okay. If more information becomes available to me, I will be glad to present that to you later on. All right. So I just hope that all of the family members receive peace and closure. I'm glad that this trial is speedy. I'm glad that the judge really kind of wants to wrap this up. Should Tim take the stand? At this point, does it really matter? If he doesn't, great. If he does, great. I feel like the feds have a lot of evidence, and it appears from the information that I have been receiving, reading, and researching and been privy to, it appears that the prosecution, they've done a good job presenting their case and their evidence. Okay. There are a couple of other quite a few of YouTube content creators that go in depth. So I guess I could consider myself the appetizer, the main course. A lot of the other YouTubers who are actually on site and in the courtroom getting firsthand, information and seeing this all unfold in real time. They've all done a phenomenal job covering. I've been plugged in. So hopefully you guys are getting an opportunity to check them out as well. So I'm pretty sure that more information is going to become available later on as the day progresses. So day 6 is going to be tomorrow. And we shall see. That show producer, this is going to be interesting. A show producer had been subpoenaed, and they're going to be taking the stand. So I'm curious to see what the cross-examination is going to look like, because at this point the prosecution has rested, right? So all of these witnesses are for the defense. As far as Wael Yagnam, who is the insurance agent who cultivated and got this insurance policy illegally for Tim Norman on Andre Montgomery. He is being charged with insurance fraud, basically. He's not being charged with the other 2 charges that Tim and Terica are being charged with. So he has not taken the stand. The defense wanted him to take the stand, in favor of Tim Norman. But he doesn't have to testify. So they tried to subpoena him, or they did subpoena him to come in, or, they requested for him to come in, but they can't find him to serve him. He cannot leave the state, last I heard or read, I should say. So he probably hiding out somewhere, one of his relatives' house or his house. But the judge cannot, at this point, force him to testify. So he's going to be sentenced in October, if I'm not mistaken. And Terica and Travell, I think their sentencing is supposed to be the end of this month. So just to recap, court ended for the day. There's going to be, the last witness is going to be a show producer. They're supposed to be taking the stand tomorrow. We don't know if Tim is going to take the stand. He still has time to decide to do so. I guess he will have to have an answer whether tonight or tomorrow. These witnesses for the defense are wanting to speak to how great Tim Norman is as far as his character. The judge is not feeling that. So basically they've been warned. I'm assuming they've been warned. Look, don't come up here and try to paint Tim to be out this Disney character, because we know that that is not the case. I am curious to know what Miss Robbie is going to say. She was in the courtroom today. It is being reported that she was in the courtroom. And again, I just want to reiterate that at the time that I am recording this video, I am not aware that Miss Robbie took the stand and actually gave testimony. So that's at this time. I'm sure more information will become available as the day progresses. All right. So I just wanted to come to you and give you a quick update. That's all I got. Ain't got no more. Drop down in the comments, share your thoughts. Let me know what you think. And again, by Wednesday is when the judge is hoping that this trial will be over. I don't know about you guys, but I'm on pins and needles, and I'm just hoping that Andre Montgomery receives justice, and his mother, as well as his siblings and other family members, can actually be at peace and start to getting some sort of closure. All right. So I'm signing off. I love you for watching. As always, until next time, peace.